You know that old saying, the only way to learn is by doing? Well, that's never been more true than with the product we're going to review today. In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create beautiful ebooks, and you'll be able to have your first one done in minutes. Hey there, this is Jackie from WealthShare, and I am excited to show you the newest online ebook creator on the market called Sqribble. If you follow my channel, you know that I only bring you products that I feel will help you make money online or assist you in your quest for financial freedom. And Sqribble's one of those. I think it's a game changer. There's a link in the description below to the official website, so when you're done with the video, you might want to check that out. Sqribble is extremely easy to use, and you can have a professional looking ebook created in just minutes. I personally use Sqribble, and one of the many things I like about this product is the ability to create ebooks for others. That feature opens up another stream of income and another work from home opportunity for me, and it can do the same thing for you. Not only can you produce your own ebooks to sell online, you can also produce them for clients. Your clients could consist of content creators that want to turn their blogs, their newsletters, their video scripts, product information, and more into ebooks. Think about any group of individuals that produce a weekly or maybe a monthly newsletter. For example, a nonprofit like a church, a charity organization, community organization, or even your local city. They might send out a newsletter to let citizens know what's going on in that particular city. If you think outside of the box, you can come up with several ideas to start an online ebook business, and it's so uncomplicated with Sqribble. You could even go online to different sites like Fiverr or Upwork, or job sites like Indeed and LinkedIn, and find people that are looking for someone to format their ebook for them. Because proper formatting is one of the many obstacles that people run into when they try to produce an ebook. But with Sqribble, it's so simple. And if you personally want to write an ebook and sell it, Sqribble can help you make that dream a reality. You can upload your own ebook on Kindle and sell it there. Kindle rocks because, for one, it's huge. Millions of buyers go there every day to buy books. And Kindle's part of Amazon, so need I say anything more? Kindle makes it really easy for ebook creators because you don't have to have a website. They attract the buyers for you. So really all you have to do is just focus on creating books that people want to buy. You have no risk, no upfront cost with Kindle, and you only pay a small fee when somebody buys your book. And Kindle just takes that fee directly from your sale, so you don't have to send them any money. Well, earlier we were talking about formatting being an issue for ebook creators, but how do you create the kind of ebooks that people want to buy? What if you're not an expert? What if you're not a great writer? Or you can't design ebooks to save your life? Or what if you just don't have the time or even the energy to even think about creating and selling books on Kindle? Well, Sqribble is the solution. This is how anyone, and I mean anyone off the street, can just sit down, press a few buttons, and bam, out pops a beautiful book ready for Kindle, packed with useful content and designed to get attention. With Sqribble in your hands, you can dominate niches, even if you don't know anything about that subject, because Sqribble can fill your book with expert content so you don't even have to write a word. This is content from around the web based on the URL that you provide. You can pull content from any URL, or you can pull it from Sqribble's own library of niche articles. It really is a total game changer. You can also outpublish other ebook creators because this tool allows you to create several books per hour. You can also save a lot of money because you don't have to hire freelancers and you don't have to spend time and money on design tools because Sqribble takes care of everything inside and out, so you don't have to worry about any of that. So we've touched on some of the pros of Sqribble, but there are so many more that you're going to want to check out that link in the description below. And I also want to touch on some of the cons of this product because, as you well know, not everything is always rainbows and unicorns. Some of the cons that I've ran across is that support is slow to answer. They will answer you, but it might be several hours later, or depending on what time you ask for assistance, it could be the next morning. In all fairness, this may be due to a difference in time zones, or maybe I'm just impatient. When they do answer, though, they're very helpful. Another con is that there are several upsells, some of which may be beneficial to you, and some may not be. And this is different for everyone, depending on your goals and your situation. And some of the features are not usable unless you buy one or more of the upsells. For example, like the 3D cover creator. Another con is that you can only download the ebook in PDF format. If you want to convert it to a different file format, you're going to need to use an online converter, and there are several free ones online. One other thing that I've noticed is that some of the content that they can provide for your ebook might have some grammatical errors. It's an easy fix. Just copy and paste the content into Microsoft Word or a program like Grammarly, and then let it look for the errors. And lastly, I have several different products that are part of the Sqribble suite, and you have to have different logins for each of them, and that's driving me a little crazy. I wish I could use the same login for all of them, but that's just a personal pet peeve of mine, and it may not bother you at all. I'm sure that you figured out that I'm giving Sqribble the thumbs up. It really is a time and a money saver, and it is so simple to use. And I hope that you give it a try because I love it, and I think you will too. I've included a link to the official website in the description below, so go check that out for yourself. And I want to thank you for stopping by WellShare, where we try to provide you with products that will help you reach financial freedom. And remember, it is all possible, so don't stop dreaming. Just dream bigger. If you liked the video, make sure to give us a quick like and subscribe. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.